Got it here, Molly water bottle flask. So it's adjustable heavily. It has like straps for carrying it, or we can adjust it and adjust this, make it a bigger flask, smaller flask. Super adjustable, so easy to take it out. Heavily adjustable, just a random water bottle, sits in there perfectly. Tighten it up and it will hold it even more by tightening it up here. This is what Molly system looks like. It slides in and buckles down, so it's detachable and attachable anywhere. This is so cool. And I have this other pouches right here. Now I can attach like a cup holder pretty much on the back of a seat of my car. Pull this out, refill it, bring it back in, slide it back in. I can do a different one. It's quite adjustable, or I can completely remove it by pulling this out. Super cool. I love that. Leatherman 3 T4. So it is a much smaller one than the other ones. There's different colors. I picked up this one. There's a L for Leatherman. Nice clip, thick but compact. And let's see, that's what they mean by free. It is very easy to fold it, unfold it, even with one finger. All I have to do is push on that. There's almost no resistance. So nice. Ooh, tweezers in here. Didn't even notice it. Okay, plug in all the way. Okay, well, let's see what else is in there. This is super easy to unfold. This is what's so nice about Leatherman 3. Very easy to unfold. There's multi-tools, and all I have to do is just press this and it will unfold and fold. Same thing here, pretty easy to fold, unfold. More multi-tools. Let's say one tool is locked in, it's actually locked. And to unlock it, all I have to do is push this button and it will lock it back up. Very compact little multi-tool, but plenty, and it says Leatherman USA. Plenty for unboxing and small jobs with this little blade, couple inches blade. I love it. Leatherman 3 T4. Ultimate disc, 36 LEDs. Thought it was cool. Let's see what's about. Flexible right here, plastic around it. It's kind of like a silicone, almost like a rubberish plastic. Okay, there's on and off. There's timer 0, 1, 2, 3. That's cool. And there's super bright, no light, dim, bright. Let's do super bright. And I guess a chargeable entrance is right here. Wow, cool. So it's like water resistant, and it lights up. It's super bright. Oh wow, it's glow in the dark, and whenever it's motion activated, it's on. As soon as it stops, it's glow in the dark. That's amazing. Very bright too. We probably won't be playing it in a complete darkness, so let's say in a semi-dark, that's what it's going to look like. I love it how it's not going to waste the batteries, and if it's moving, it has blue, stops, glow in the dark. Love it. Boom. Beavercraft folding axe. There's a leather belt loop. Wow, this is totally miniature. Let's go chop something up. Interesting handle. This way. Wow, this is sharp, and that's what I'm talking about. Thick. Wow, I think it's gonna chop through some wood very well. I like this like imperfection. Kind of gives it a character. This is cool. Obviously it could be finished better, but I think I like it. And there's a nice hammer in the back. It's pretty hefty. And we're going to compare it to the power in your hands. 9.5 inches survival hatchet. See what it's about. Super tiny. It's so cute. And there's a twist and comes off. So pretty easy to detach it and attach it. Very rubbery handle, comfortable, and it's quite sharp and thick. I chopped some twigs first of all. This is easy for firewood. That's what little hatchets are for. Nice. Instead of breaking it, little camp axe is perfect. Let's go a little bit bigger. Very nice. Very powerful. I love it. And this is perfect for firewood. This is kind of hard to break it with my hands. It's really thick. But this hatchet is just powerful. I love that. Wow. So this hatchet obviously will not work this much with that, but let's start. Oh, no way. That is awesome. This is very sharp hatchet. Amazing. Let me get another twig. Wow. Just so cool. Right in half. Unbelievable. Look at that bigger log right here. This might be too big for this, but is it doable? Yeah. It's amazing. Chopping it through it so well. Again, this is a bit too small for the log like that. I wouldn't use it for such a big log, but as you can see, it's doing it. I probably wouldn't use bigger twigs than this. I cannot believe it, how powerful that is. Wow. Wow. Yeah, definitely works for little hand axe, survival hand axe. Will be easy to chop up some firewood with twigs like that, which is perfect. They burn a while. Okay, let's see how this one does. 2 heats. Wow. That's cool. Let's start on this log right here. First, chopping it really well, even with the bigger logs like this. It's kind of hard to start, but once it's going, chopping it, very nice twigs out of it. Wow, look at it. Pretty epic. Little, but look how big that log is. It chopped through it. Got it here, Versa Tac pry bar. It's 4 inches blade. This thing is really unique. So tactical pry bar, what they call it. So there's a little holster, lugs into the belt, and there's another lug. Let's see. This is actually a razor sharp, so it could be. This one is not sharp right here, so it can be used like a pry bar to scrape something off. Rope cutter, skinner, pretty comfortable. Very interesting chopper. Some kind of like a wrench over here, and there's like a nail pull crowbar or like a break up some pallets. Very unique, and it'll go in probably this way. Yes, and lock in. That's it. Very unique for sure. This will stay in kind of like a little bit sharp. It's not sharp like razor sharp, but very unique. I would put it onto a backpack if anything, not onto a belt, but still very useful, one of a kind. I really like unique little tools like this. That's definitely fits the category. Got it here, very unique folding knife. It's kind of slides open this way, and the handle is like a 3-finger handle with a like a thumb rest to chop something. Very thick handle, somewhat comfortable, but I think it's just pretty cool folding mechanism. It just like slides out and locks in here, Actually, yeah, locks. It sounds like it's locks. Boom. Nothing fast about it. It is still a folding knife. Slide fold. Very interesting. All it is just push through. There's some kind of lock in here. Makes it like pop in and folds this way. Very unique. Damascus steel, maybe of some sort. There's no markings on it or anything. Very interesting folding knife right here. One of a kind for sure.